Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. In case if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So, today we'll see how to make delicious chocolate donuts. So let's get started. So, for that, all we need is some flour, all-purpose flour or Maida. Here I have taken 2 cups. Then some powdered sugar. Here I have taken 1 cup or Pisi Hui cheeni. Then add some baking soda or baking powder, whichever is available. Then knead the dough with some milk or even water. After kneading the dough, take a small portion and just start rolling it with the balloon. After rolling it into small, then just take some dabbe ka dhakkan and just press it from the center and such ring will form. Then take the ring and just fry it on medium flame and turn it until golden brown. Then dip it into chocolate, melted chocolate, and then just start decorating it with some sprinkles. You can decorate your donut in any way you like. You can even put it into sugary syrup. And here, your donuts are ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Glittery Vibes. We will be back super soon with another video. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering. Thanks for watching.